welcome to school too.
This thing is very good. Jenny, my daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, no. Daddy, do you know what they taught us in school today? They taught us insurance.
Insure what?
Insurance. It is the provision which a wise man make for the protection of his life against risk.
My daughter.
See, and Daddy, there's something like life insurance. This is when they provide compensation for the family when the insured is dead. And if you are the next of kin, if you are the next of kin, hey, it depends on the years the person have stayed in that company. They are going to give you big money.
Hey, one dollar.
That's what they taught us. So
are you
if you are the
serious?
next of kin of anybody that is your relation.
Like my elder brother now that is as is working in share.
Yes.
So if he dies now,
the money, all the money is going to come to you.
Hey, Chineke. You see why education is good? Oh, baby. See, my investment in you, the school fees that you're paying on you, is not a waste. You can go, my daughter. Okay. Hey, Jesus. Hey. So you mean if Mazi Okeke die now, all the money? Hey, child, they got no dollar. They got no dollar. Today. Chief, okay, Zacchaeus, my younger brother, you have refused to help me. And my daughter have told me what is insurance. I know I am your next of kin. Now I want to send you this father, wherever you are. Wherever you are, wherever you are,
Mama, behave.
only the violence. Take it by force.
Daddy, Uncle is dead. Hey, what are we going to go and do in his house now? We will not bring him back to life.
My daughter, I want that brother.
You have to console him. But then
No.
you say you're going to the insurance company.
May your soul rest in peace. Mercy. Anyway, I want to go to the insurance. You are the one that taught me about the nest of nail. Let me get the money I can take care of the children and even you. See, come let me tell you something. Yeah.
Forget it. See, by the time they give us the money, I will buy you one bicycle and laptop. Who there? Yeah? Oh, you're not here now. How are you, gentlemen? Is this the insurance company?
Yes.
I am Mazi Exodus Zacchaeus, and the elder brother to Chief Okeke Zacchaeus, the newly dead. He just died last week. He just is a new, fresh dead body. So I'm actually here because I'm the next of Neil. I'm here to collect because you know I need to take care of the. Hey, shut up, my friend. I'm here to take care of his family. Okay. So I brought the bag to come and so just can we go upstairs to the office or?
Because as you can see, Mr. Okutu, the marketing manager.
Okay,
so
sir.
there is no need. We will just check our file. If you are the so that we can, I don't know how. Your name again?
My name is Mazi Exodus Zacchaeus.
The disease name.
Mazi Okeke. No, sorry, Chief Okeke Zacchaeus. Is my younger brother.
Yes.
Hey, come back here.
Okay.
My brother, you have seen it now. Go and break the money. If this one is not enough, I will give you money. Go and buy Ghana must go.
Insurance premium is 45 million.
Hey!
Your brother paid his premium up to date.
Hey,
So your brother is not owing anything.
Hey, your bicycle, over it.
Okay. The beneficiaries.
Is it next of nail? Check it, it's my name. Don't waste time.
Who is Bigo?
Bingo is his dog.
Nkita. Hey, unu yebu meba. Onye ba atụrụ. No, these people, you people are fraudulent. It's my younger brother. I sent him to school. Can you about bingo? Nkita. Hey, Nkita bingo.
Just tell them that you are the bingo.
I'm the bingo. My name is Exodus Bingo.
I thought you said you are the Exodus.
No, see, if you know what I went through for my brother to die, eh? Yeah, if you know what I went through to plan for his burial, that's what I mean. I went to borrow money to plan for his burial.
Document your brother first. You said 80% of bingo.
I'm a dog. See, my name is. I will bring you affidavit. My name is Chief Exodus Bingo Zacchaeus.
You do like a bingo, so don't know you're a bingo.
40 million. I'm a dog. I'm a monkey. Hello.
School to
We want to say thank you for watching and keep watching School 2 Comedy. Don't give up. We are here. We want to bring you more and more. You can see a man that changed his name from Linus Exodus.
Let me introduce myself.